it's quite evident these people are just struggling to manufacture evidence. You heard when we asked as to when they are likely to complete the investigations, they were cagey. When you look at the matters before this honorable court and all the allegations they are making, one would expect that they would be ready by now to assemble the evidence which they intend to rely on and make a summary of their case, and committal papers should be made by now for the matter to be forwarded to the High Court for hearing. They indicated from the record that the file was transferred to police on the 11th of February. That's what they have indicated in the affidavit sworn by one of the officers investigating this matter. But you all know this matter started way back on the 16th of November when Dr. Besigye and Obed were abducted and kidnapped from Kenya. They were taken to the General Court Martial, and it took some time before this matter was brought here. But now, in a surprise twist of events, they seem to suggest that actually, prior to the DPP taking over this matter, there was no investigation conducted by any government agency, which is really baffling and disturbing. Because according to what the police and the prosecution are indicating here, they are just starting on the investigations now. That actually they commenced investigations on the 4th day of March. Today is 7th. This week is when they started to conduct investigations. But they have also indicated they took over the matter on 11th February. But since then, they had not started on the investigations. Now they have started. They have put in an application dated 5th. Actually, they filed on 5th. That was Wednesday this week, seeking for an order of court to allow them access all the information regarding the phone numbers of Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Rutale, which have been their custody since the 16th of November last year. Now they are just putting an application this week that they want to access those information. They want to access that information regarding all those phones, the communications, the records concerning those particular phone numbers or lines. They are talking about 5 phone numbers, 5. And there are a couple of issues that we intend to raise regarding the same. They are not for now. But what is of concern right now is the way they wanted to stampede the court to have this matter heard today. You could imagine. Filed on Wednesday, served on Thursday afternoon, and they wanted it to be heard Friday morning. We opposed this. We had to oppose it in the strongest terms possible. We had to oppose it because we believe it's an ambush in the first place, which is not allowed under the law. Secondly, it's an attempt to manufacture evidence against Dr. Besigye and Obed Rutale. Court has fixed it for hearing on Friday the 14th. We are going to study it made by the state to manufacture evidence. It's all about manufacturing evidence. Actually, to sum it up, they are on a fishing expedition trying to scratch around to gather evidence which they think can help them make out a case against Dr. Besigye. Apparently, they don't have any. So basically, that's where we stand.
Lord Mayor.
Yes.